Hi guys, so just got a call from a letting agency, not someone I've used before. Got my details from someone. Basically the bailiffs have been to the property and yeah, their house is now vacant. They've had it a few times, the bailiffs, so now yeah, just gonna heading off to Southfields and gonna go and see what it is. I believe it's a night latch and a mortise, so yeah, should be straightforward. Alright, nice one. Speak to you in a bit. Hello. Yeah, so I've just been to that job. Basically, yes, I've had to change a night latch. Now, unfortunately, I'm on the school run today because unfortunately the missus isn't well today. So, yeah, I've had to just quickly come from that job, jump in the motor now, go and get the kids, and then drop them back over to their mum for a little bit, and then head back to the job to do the job. So yeah, non-stop, it's all good, everything's going. The joys of a locksmith, and a family man. Non-stop. Speak to you in a bit. Non-stop. Right, that's done. Right, so the kids have just been dropped back up to mummy. They're just going to chill in the living room for a bit while the missus is in bed. This shouldn't take me long. Unfortunately, all I've got to do now is fit a deadlock. I don't have that specific one it's got. It's a Union J2101, I believe. So all I've got is an era on board. So I will fit the era, just got to cut a bit out. But yeah, should be okay. Only like 20-30 mil in between. So yeah, happy days. Let's do this. It's all go. Let's go. Speak to you in a bit. So you rush to get here, non-stop, boom, 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 and you get to the property and the landlord's not here. He's not here. But, so I sent him a half-hour message to let him know that I'm on my way. Gathered that he got it. Now I just called him, told him that I'm here. He said I'll be another half hour. Oh my god, I've got so much to do. Do you know what? Sod waiting half hour. I want to get in. Going in there anyway. It's not like I'm breaking in, is it? It's coming now soon, so I'm a very impatient man. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the house. Gosh. And we're in. Beauty of being a locksmith. Oh, mate! Oh, look, it's pitch black outside. What an absolute job that was! Mate! Oh, that was, yeah. So, it's all done. Landlord's happy. I had to fit an era fortress in it. With the Union, it was just too small. So I had to cut it all out and then cut the strike play out. I was a bit longer than expected. But yeah, overall, fella was a lovely fella. Talking about Rangers. So good chat about football while we're working. Yeah, all good. Absolutely knackered now. Obviously I ain't stopped. Now I've got to go home and make the dinner for everyone because the missus ain't well, see? And who says that men can't multitask? So yeah, off I go, get the old spaghetti bolognese on, and then fill my fat belly up, and away we go. So all in all, good day today. Pictures and video will be up. So yeah, gonna probably not work tonight, as I say, because the missus ain't well, so probably turn the phone off tonight. Nice bit of grub, chill, might watch a bit of football. So guys, thank you. Speak to you later. Tomorrow's a new day.